Hello and welcome, my name is Johan, I will be your instructor. I believe the best way to learn is to do it yourself, and that's how my courses are made. You get hands-on training. Now, let's take a look at what you will learn in this course. This course is the fastest way to get into making games. We will be using the Unity engine because it's powerful and free to use. We'll start learning how to download and install the Unity software on your computer. Then we will get familiar with the user interface. Then we will go over building levels by adding 3D objects of all shapes, such as spheres, cubes, and cylinders. Then we'll go over the different lighting effects and cameras to make the game look fantastic. Finally, we'll go over physics and materials to have the game behave like in the real world. I can guarantee you will enjoy this course while learning new skills. Let's say somehow this course is not for you. This can happen. You can get a full refund, no questions asked. What are you waiting for? Join now and let's get started.